Hello, business enthusiasts. Are you ready to discover the key to boosting your sales and credibility? Today, we'll delve into the world of dedicated credit card merchant accounts and how they can transform your business. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of dedicated credit card merchant accounts and their impact on businesses, particularly those in high-risk sectors. From enhanced transaction security to streamlined payment processing, we'll uncover how these accounts can set you apart from the competition. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get started. A reliable payment processing system not only boosts sales but also enhances your business's reputation. This holds true, especially for high-risk industries like credit repair and CBD, as well as e-commerce platforms. Why dedicated merchant accounts matter. Merchant accounts serve as a crucial link between your business and financial institutions. For high-risk businesses, securing a merchant account can be a challenge. However, the benefits are immense. Dedicated merchant accounts offer heightened transaction security, faster processing times, and improved dispute resolutions, factors that directly impact your bottom line. E-commerce and robust payment gateways. In the realm of e-commerce, a seamless payment experience is essential. With a dedicated e-commerce merchant account and a robust payment gateway, you can turn potential abandoned carts into successful sales. A frictionless checkout experience, powered by a reliable merchant processing system, can significantly boost conversion rates and, consequently, your sales. Navigating complex payment terrains in high-risk sectors. High-risk industries, like credit repair and CBD, face unique challenges in credit card processing. From regulatory hurdles to chargeback susceptibility, these sectors require specialized payment solutions. Integrating a credit repair payment gateway or a CBD payment gateway not only simplifies operations but also enhances the customer experience, leading to increased sales. Boosting credibility with merchant processing services. Partnering with a reputable merchant processing service, such as TouchSuite Merchant Processing Services, can elevate your business's credibility. With tailored solutions for various industries, TouchSuite ensures that businesses of all sizes can accept credit cards effortlessly. Their expertise in high-risk payment processing empowers businesses to navigate complexities with ease. In today's business landscape, a dedicated credit card merchant account is no longer a luxury but a necessity. For businesses, especially those in high-risk sectors, providing seamless and secure payment solutions is crucial. It's not just about transactions, it's about building trust, enhancing the customer experience, and ultimately driving sales. Before we wrap up, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on valuable insights. And if you're ready to take your business's payment solutions to the next level, head over to TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of trusted service to startups and global brands alike, TouchSuite is your go-to payment provider. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep innovating and succeeding.